Spam calls can be annoying, but your Samsung phone comes with a built-in feature that makes blocking them quick and easy. Powered by Hiya, Samsung's spam protection helps identify suspicious callers and keeps unwanted calls from reaching you. To get started, unlock your Samsung phone and open the phone app. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu, then select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap Caller ID and Spam Protection. Turn the feature on by tapping the toggle switch. If a permission or terms agreement appears, simply read and accept it to continue. Next, tap Block Spam and Scam Calls. Here you'll find two available protection modes. If you choose Block All Spam and Scam Calls, your phone will automatically reject calls from numbers that are identified as spam or scams. This is the best choice if you receive a lot of unwanted calls every day. If you prefer a lighter level of protection, select Only Block High-Risk Scam Calls. This option focuses on blocking dangerous scam numbers while allowing less suspicious spam calls to come through. It's a good balance if you don't want to risk missing important calls. After choosing the option that works best for you, simply close the settings. Your Samsung phone will now work in the background to identify suspicious callers, display spam warnings, and block calls based on your selected preference. For the best protection, keep your phone updated with the latest software, as Samsung regularly improves its spam detection database. Even with spam protection enabled, always be cautious when answering unknown numbers and never share personal or financial information unless you're certain the caller is legitimate. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've made your Samsung phone much better at stopping unwanted spam and scam calls, giving you a safer and more peaceful calling experience.